Red thoughts on TikTok refer to romantic or sexual scenarios that individuals want to experience with someone else. These messages are often sent as a way of flirting or expressing interest in a crush or partner. Red thoughts can range from cute and romantic to spicy and explicit, and can include physical touch like kissing or cuddling. Some Red Thoughts videos convey messages via abbreviation, while others include photos or collages to illustrate desired experiences. It's important to test the waters, engage the other person's comfort level before sending explicit content. To create a Red Thoughts video, users can upload a photo of a red background, add text, and include a song. Tagging the other person in a Red Thoughts video on social media can increase the level of flirtation. But it's important to respect boundaries and opt for private communication if the other person is not responsive. Flirty emojis can be added to enhance the tone of the message. If both parties are interested, the conversation can progress to discussing the possibility of meeting in person to recreate the desired scenarios. Responding to a Red Thoughts video with one's own fantasies is a clear way to express mutual attraction, and asking for more details can keep the conversation going.